Hello and welcome to another SymphonyMMI Systems video. Today we are in Audi RS7. This is 2014 model that has 3G system. The well-known console for the MMI system is just here. What we want to show you today is our updated CarPlay module that we just added to this car. This car could never have CarPlay or Android Auto feature as it was never released from the factory. So these systems suffer from that they cannot have any factory. However, our solution gives you the fully integrated CarPlay, which I'm just going to show you now. So we are in the main menu, as you can see, so I can just scroll through all the menus here: telephone, navigation, radio, and so on. So in order to switch to the CarPlay, I just need to press and hold nav button, and that switches over. And as you can see, I'm already in the main CarPlay menu. So it's all here. I can scroll through the all the apps and select whichever I want to. Waste, which is the popular one we use, so we like that. Yeah, now I'm mentioning this is updated version because we've been offering these systems for quite a while now. However, this is the latest generation one that we just want to show you. It has few improved features. One of them is I'm in the app now, and before you would have to scroll using this main knob here to the right menu here. If I press all these little dots in there, then that will then go to the main screen with all the apps. So let me just go back to Waze again and show you the new feature. Now, being in the app, you don't have to scroll now through all the through everything to get to the little dots in the corner. And what you can do, just press the back button here. So if I press that, immediately it goes back to the main menu of the CarPlay, where I can just scroll through other apps if I want to select anything, like for example Google Maps, which will just open. And again, I can press back and that switches to the main CarPlay menu. Additional feature that is now available as well: you can jump between the top and the bottom row, between the apps. So again, before you had to scroll through all of them just like that. If I wanted to if I'm in this corner in LibriVox and I wanted to go to calendar, I will have to scroll. I have to scroll this way here to get to it. You don't have to do it anymore. What I can do is using these two buttons, one and up and down. It allows you to jump. So I can go up and then just scroll to calendar, or I can go down and then go back to whichever app I wanted in the bottom row. So yeah, these are the little features that I think improve the functionality. In addition, which we really like, before you had to switch the main menu of the car, you had to go and press one of the buttons, hold it to switch between. Now you can just press nav button, for example. If you want to go to navigation, I press once, immediately it switches to the main menu of the MMI system. And let's say I'm going to select radio. Now in the main menu, I can just select whatever radio station I want. Going back to CarPlay, press and hold, and that switches back to the CarPlay. Again, if I want to go to radio quickly, I don't have to go through any other menus. I can just quickly do the shortcut, press the radio button. I'll try to show it if possible. Probably I can't. Sorry, the angle is not enough to show the button, but I'm pressing radio button, so look what's happening on the screen. Immediately goes to radio. If I want now to go to navigation or any other button, any other menu in the MMI system of the car, of the Audi MMI system, I can go to like telephone, media, nav again, as I said, and going back to CarPlay, nav button, press and hold, switches back over. So few little improved settings or functionalities, as you can call it, that allow you to the whole operation of the CarPlay functionality. The steering controls are not supported, so pressing any of these buttons doesn't do anything on the screen. It only adjusts the screen, the DIS screen that you can see there. But yeah, pressing between, I'm just adjusting that. I'm not adjusting any of that. You can still control the volume up and down and so on, but it won't do anything here. It won't scroll through any of the menus on the CarPlay. It's just controlling as it should the DIS. So all the controls for the main CarPlay are done by the MMI console, which is here. As always, these systems come fully installed by us. We offer this for a whole range of Audis that could never have CarPlay. So in this instance, we are in Audi A7 RS7 2014, which came with a 3G system. It never was able to have the CarPlay, was never available from the factory as an option. Only the later models came with it, but we offer this solution for many models, so it doesn't matter if you have 3G system, 2G system, or RMC or Concert radio, Symphony radio. Just get in touch with us. We'll be able to advise further and provide you with a solution to give you the CarPlay feature in the car that is fully controlled through the car controls. Thank you once again for joining us, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.